Getting locked out of your WhatsApp account can be frustrating. Here's how you can use WhatsApp responsibly and what you can do if you're locked out of your account. Download WhatsApp from a reliable source. If you're using Android, use the Google Play Store. For iPhone, download WhatsApp from the App Store. Download links are also available on our website at whatsapp.com/download. Save the numbers you're messaging in your phone's address book as a known contact. Do not add unknown numbers to groups. Don't send promotional messages to unknown numbers added in a group. Follow the do's and don'ts listed in our terms of service. If you're unable to log into your WhatsApp account or see an error message, your account may have been banned. If you believe you were banned in error, write to us